この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
What's up guys, welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. I know it's been a while since I posted any new videos because I've been so busy at the Tofu Cafe every day and I pretty much don't have any time to work on any videos. But a lot of things been going on lately, especially with the A6. The car is starting to misfire a couple weeks ago, and I changed out the injectors, spark plugs, distributor, but it doesn't solve the issue at all. It turns out that it is the number 2 cylinder is going bad. And we probably have to take out the engine to rebuild, but let me show you guys how it sounds like right now. I mean, it still runs, but it sounds like a Subaru right now. Sound too good. And the sad part is it's only gonna get worse. It's not gonna do any better. The more I drive it, the more it's gonna damage the engine. So I think it's a pretty good timing to pull the engine out, repaint the whole engine bay, build the motor up and swap it back in. I want to do it in one shot, so I can save time, save money, save labor, you know. But in order to do that, I bought a bunch of goodies. These more parts are still on its way, but I bought this for my birthday as a birthday present. Yeah, today is actually my birthday. Yeah, let's unbox them real quick. Let's start with a small one first. This one, I already opened up this one. This one is a pulley by Techno Toy Tuning. Yeah, very nice. Shout out to Techno Toy Tuning for sponsoring this build. They hooked me up with a pretty good deal. Yep, all 3 pulleys are right here. And next we're gonna have some Toda racing cam gears by Better Garage. Shout out to them for sending a bunch of goodies to us. Ooh, look at that. Sexy. I'm not gonna open it up. I'm just gonna show it to you guys how it looks like. And I also bought a clear cam gear cover. It's gonna look so pretty with the Toda cam gears. And of course, an OEM timing belt. Next, here we have a run-free fuel box sticker. Also bought I believe this is the valve cover gasket, OEM Toyota, and we have a bunch of gaskets for tranny valve, and this is the TLD gasket. Yeah, brand new center console cover. I thought they had discontinued already, but surprisingly, Better Garage still sells them. Ooh. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this whole package because there's too many pieces inside, but this is the tranny valve coil unplug kit. Oh, there's one more here. This is another Toyota product. This is the tranny valve valve springs. Yeah, it's pretty much just a bunch of valve springs. Okay, on to the biggest one, and this one is actually given to me by Sherry, and this is actually the privacy cover for the hatch. This part is discontinued already, but Sherry was able to source it for me in Japan. Let's unbox it. Wow. Brand new. Yeah, when I bought the A6, it actually came with the original privacy cover, but mine broke a couple months ago, so I've been trying to look for one, but it's so hard to find AE86 parts right now, as you guys know. And yeah, I'm just so happy that Sherry was able to find one in Japan, and it's brand new. So let's install it on the car right now. Hold it right here. Yep, there you go. I finally have the privacy cover back. Yay! Love it. Thank you, Sherry. Yeah, that's pretty much what's been going on with the car lately. Now we're probably gonna drop the car off and the parts to one of my friend's AE86 specialist shop. He's gonna be working on the car, doing all the engine work, and he's gonna paint the engine bay for me as well. Yeah, this entire job is gonna take a while, so that's why you guys probably not gonna see our AE86 parked in front of the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe for a while. But we're trying to finish the car before AE86 day. Yeah, I'm planning to host an A6 day meet this year. So yeah, let's go. Yep, we're here. Yeah, we're here at Dan's Mechanic. They pretty much fix a lot of old Toyotas. What I like about them is they're only like 5 minutes away from my house, and they do pretty good job on old Corollas. Or they have a outdoor 3 over there too. And also they got a paint booth right at the next door, so they can paint my engine bay. Oh, that A6 coupe looks pretty good.
How's your car?
Bad.
Best?
Bad. Okay, it's time to go back to the tofu shop. See you soon. Bye bye. Okay, more car parts. Yeah, let's unbox them before we take it to the shop. And let's start with the Battle Garage one first. And here we have the Haltech standalone ECU that I've always wanted. Also, we got the TLD engine mount. I believe this is a TLD engine mount as well. Yep, TLD engine mount. Oh, and also a Cusco transmission mount here. I'm not gonna unbox this since it's just a transmission mount. Okay, up to the next one. This is also by Battle Garage. Okay. Oh, this is the XCD organic racing clutch. What else? Oh, and also ARP the flywheel bolts. Since the shop told me to replace the bolts on the flywheels. Yeah, that's pretty much it for Battle Garage. Next is gonna be by Flows. Oh, let's go! Yeah, these are the parts that the machine shop has been waiting for, and it is the Toda racing pistons, and also Toda power, the camshaft, the racing camshaft, and also I bought a new reservoir by Toda, brand new. Oh, this is the bolts for the whole engine bay by Flows. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's take everything to the shop so the machine shop can start working on the engine. Yep, let's go. Alright, we are back. Let's see how's the A6 doing. It's been a few days since we dropped it off. Yeah, you just got back?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm just here to check it out. So, okay.
Hey, look.
Nice!
We're just gonna paint this.
Okay.
I'll paint that for you. Don't
Okay,
worry.
alright, thank you.
Right now we're just getting it dry.
Okay. Looking good.
Hey, it looks good.
Yeah, it's been a few days since we dropped it off last time, and a lot has been done already. As you can see, they painted the engine bay. It looks so good. Yeah, almost done. Just gotta wait till the machine shop finish the engine, assembling the engine. Then we're gonna put everything back together. It's not gonna be fast, but it's gonna take some time. Yeah, it's coming together. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Hopefully I can have the A6 back before 86 day so I can celebrate this special day with all my 86 homies and of course with you guys too. But if not, I guess I'm just going to tow the car back to the shop because our A6 has to be there on that day. Yep, if you guys are interested to join us, feel free to check out our Instagram for the flyer. We're gonna have some exclusive 86 day merch available on that day, so make sure to come check them out. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. Laters.